And his little micro quad around. Ooh. Bounce.
Little hot wheels all fixed in 10 minutes.
Then at a very high KV. Ooh.
These are upgraded motors, so they, good getting them on the web. They'll get these motors they're for a different quad.
Oh, okay.
And different. These are actually different props too. But I mean, for 4 motors and 4 props, it was like $10. Something like that. I don't know.
That's just incredible. That's ridiculous.
Yeah, how much does a whole quad run usually?
This quad, this is $50. It's the Hobby King Pocket Quad, but it's nice because it's not pre-packaged with like the ladybugs or whatever. You can put your own software in them. So this is actually running my software.
Oh, okay.
It's interesting. I just did a search for my software online and found out that there's guys now that have ported it over to the processors that run on those ladybugs, and they've been putting my software in the ladybugs.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess your software is that good.
No, it's small is one thing. The code is small, so.
It doesn't require a lot of space and leaves room for processing. Low bridge, huh?
It's supposed to go on the aircraft carrier, not into it.
Is your prop damaged?
They have I think they're selling the vapor as FPV. You buy it, they have the camera, and if you have the goggles,
They have vapors now at
I
TV?
think I just saw that this week. Is the vapors have version with FPV all set up.
Because I know they got a micro quad. I've been seeing it in the Tower Hobby magazine.
Do you have that FPV on one of your phones? I do. Fly around this building.
I haven't flown it here.
Are you trying to? Oh, you're trying to go over it, right? Huh.
Got one.
Don't did it.
I've got one about that big guy.
Mind if I get a little bit more of a look at it?
I could sit in my living room and watch the TV and fly it around the house. and you just want, it's like you're flying in it. It's pretty cool. But what's disconcerting though is when like I'm flying in the summer, it slides by the window.